like at the start of the challenge, and look at it now.
There's 179 of you left and only 100 flags.
Let's dwindle the numbers a little more. Bring out 50 flags. This is where the strategy comes out.
We only have 2 rounds left, so you can either go right now or take your chances in our final round.
The question is, if you wait another round,
will your odds get better or will they get worse?
Let's have some fun. And they're off. They're going. They're going.
Get a flag! Get a flag!
There are only a few flags left.
There it is! There it is! She got it! She got it!
There are 115 people still on the line. This will be the final round.
Bring out the 50 remaining flags.
There's 100